Hey guys.
Hi guys, I'm in my funky hat by the way. It's functional, not stylish.
Yeah, that one. We're at the LRO show at Beaver Castle. Come along with us.
Just after that.
I'm very impressed. The winch person just legged it all the way across that. I mean, I wouldn't have made it halfway before stopping, you know, probably for a cup of tea and a relax.
Yeah, I mean, so we got the third car just coming out now. John and Tracy, they actually rolled their car over the side earlier on, hydraulic the engine, I believe.
Which would explain the smoke.
Yeah. And they fixed it. So there you go. So we're just going to get, I think we got someone coming along to get in the tractor, just so we've got a mobile ground anchor. But these guys are just going to try and put on a little bit of a slower paced extreme demonstration for you, just for a few minutes whilst we get the parade sorted.
Unbelievably spectacular. Those of you who have been to the LRO show at our old home in Peterborough will be understanding what we're about to do. Those of you who haven't, you're in for a great big treat. This is pretty awesome. The best possible test of a relationship, because if you can do a weekend of this and you're all still lovey-dovey, it's perfect. Marry the girl.
Well, I did it. We had the first 88-inch whitbread when Malcolm started building challenge buggies, and we competed for years quite successfully, and it's great fun. So if anyone fancies a go, thinks I haven't got a co-driver, just look in the passenger seat, you've already got one.
Sort of 40 feet out of the back of the vehicle, straight underneath it, and it was dead straight as narrow outside the front, so it would have taken your legs off, which is why you have things like winch blankets and stuff like that. My view is if you buy a winch, it's got steel cable on it, spend a few extra quid, put some plasma rope on it or something like that. It's readily available and it's going to make your winching experience a lot more fun. The jumps, simply because we broke about 3 trucks on them earlier. So just flatten them down so we're going to get nice, better flights, more length, less height, less breakages.
One of them's got a balance.
So the things the guys have been trying to do all day is they're desperate. There's massive bragging rights for actually balancing the seesaw. He wasn't far off there. The trouble is that you've got to get it over and then no.
And of course, Scott here proved that it is drivable. The first section is drivable. Zach drove this one as well, so that, you know, a lot of this, what you would think is impossible driving, is actually doable.
Right, let's see what this rock face can be done.
Okay, so the co-driver's up on the top now, so she will be talking. Actually, I think that's a spare co, but there's a passenger and a co-driver. So actually the co-driver doesn't have...
A chieftain that united the tribes, Norway or Sweden or somewhere cold and unpleasant, was Bluetooth.
Oh right, okay.
Hence the fact that communication between people...
I can't see.
Right, I'm with you. Okay. Just bear me one
Watch,
sec.
when that comes down a bit, you'll get blinded. Ready? Steady, blinded.
Need some glasses for it.
Even though it's not even sunny.
Yeah.
Oh my, look over there. You can't even see it. It's 6
Dusty.
And of course, if you haven't been here all day or you've just turned up this evening, if you do want to come in and get yourself involved in the arena action, we've got 3 castle driver challenges running tomorrow. I'm not entirely sure of the times, let's have a quick look. We've
They
got
are
castle
over
driver
here.
challenge at 11:15, oh beg your pardon, 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh no, and 4:10.
Yeah, we've got 3 tomorrow.
3 more challenges, so we need some more teams.
I would like to point out that my pants are still wet, thank you.
Is that because of the castle challenge or?
I was very, very excited.
Right, okay, yeah. Crikey, you missed that, ladies and gentlemen. I got him a bit down. But yeah, that's absolutely free to enter. Comes with a £75,000 prize money.
Some of the statements we make may be lies.
I wish you did.
None of the statements we make are true whatsoever. You don't have to pay to enter. All you have to do tomorrow morning is come down and see us in the arena holding area where our team... We all like a brag. Okay, so Scott's coming up the other side there, which I believe is a jolly great big log slapped on top of another one. So that's got to be a sheer vertical 4-foot lift. But obviously it's a log, so it's nice and circular as he crests over there. So it shouldn't grab hold of the underside of the vehicle, the transmission guards, radius arm brackets, etc. quite as much as the rocks did. So John's coming round now, he's going to act as the anchor. And if you just watch John's car as well as Scott's car, you'll see just how much weight is needed to pull that car up that hill. So again, he'll have his diff locks in. He's got the twin motor red winch on this vehicle, so lots and lots of power, 24 volt no doubt, so it'll be really, really quick, and it's going to go fast. When he pushes the button, you can blink and the car will be in a different place.
I can already smell Paulie engine.
Something smells, well...
Subscribe.
That's what Alana did. But anyways, subscribe!
That was the LRO show at Beaver Belvoir Castle.
Yep.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all of the
Do the things.
usuals down below.
Do the things.
Follow us on Instagram to see what we're getting up to next.
Yep.
Instagram's going to be, you know what, on this grass, just here. Anyway you like, nice and simple.
Like it.
All right, so see you in the next video, guys.
Goodbye.
Subscribe to Alana 4x4.
Yeah.
Love it.